If you're a homeowner or landlord, you may have heard of the HRI scheme. In a recent taxback.com survey, we found out that only 34.2% of people were aware of it. The scheme was introduced in 2014 to allow homeowners to claim tax credits worth 13.5% from home repairs, improvements and renovations. Unfortunately, the scheme has been scrapped, but you can still claim as far back as 4 years. Working on your home can be costly. That's why it's important for people to know what they're owed and to claim it back. So what's the criteria? Well, first of all, you must be a non-corporate landlord or a homeowner, and that includes local authority tenants, paying income tax under PAYE or self-assessment. Your LPT or local property tax must also be up to date, unless you're a local authority tenant. The work must be carried out by a VAT, RCT and ROS registered contractor who is fully tax compliant. You can check online to see if your contractor is compliant. There is also a minimum and a maximum figure of which you can claim tax back. Your expenditures must amount to at least €4,405 and you cannot claim for more than $30,000 before VAT per property. It doesn't matter if you spend $30,000 or $150,000, you'll only be able to claim for up to $30,000 of the final cost. There are different deadlines relating to your status as a homeowner, landlord or local authority tenant, so it's important that you look into that and find out if you're eligible. So what and what isn't covered by the HRI? The incentive includes extensions, garages, attic conversions, heating systems, kitchens, bathrooms, insulation, driveways, plastering, painting, and the list goes on. It excludes anything charged at a VAT rate of 23%, so your fridge, hobs, sinks, taps or extractor fan. It excludes new builds and the renovation or restoration of uninhabitable homes. Oh, and if you received a grant, like say the Better Energy Homes grant for instance, you'll still be able to qualify for the tax credit. But the qualifying expenditure is reduced by 3 times the amount of the grant. The amount you receive as a tax credit will depend on the amount that you've spent on the qualifying renovations, repairs and improvements. So if you spend €5,000 on renovations, you'll receive €675 back. If the work costs a total of €11,350, including 13.5% VAT and $10,000 before VAT, you'll receive a tax credit worth €1,350, which is the minimum amount reclaimable. Generally, the tax credit is payable on income tax, paid over the 2 years following the year in which you carried out and paid for the work. If you've had work done on your home in recent years and would like to know if you're due a tax refund, why not contact us today and find out what you're owed.